Students, today we are going to continue with the chapter 3 planning. Today we are going to learn the process of it. The term planning itself is a great concept. It is a process. All the steps are important and are to be performed in a specific order. Any economic activity with an aim of earning profit is known as business. So the business enterprise has to collect various information. Then to analyze it, it's very important. Task of planning is choosing, is said by Bill Gates. Now, according to George R. Terry, function of planning, the past matters. They are to be considered and the future activity of the business is to be decided. According to George R. Terry, function of planning means assumption for results, policy to follow function, stages and to decide the method to be followed. In other words, planning is an intellectual process. So let us learn the process. Determining objective, clarifying planning premises, collection and analysis of information, preparation of alternative plan, evaluation of alternatives, selection of the best alternative, formation and evaluation of subsidiary plan, evaluation of plan. Now we are going to study in detail. Determining objective. The first step of planning is of setting the objective. Objectives are to be realistic. If objectives are set properly, planning becomes useful for the management. Experts believe that the objective should be intellectual and not impossible. Second is clarifying planning premises. It means assumption. Entire planning is a future-oriented activity. It depends upon the assumption that we make. Thus, once objectives are decided, then we can get a better clarity on the ideas. Forecasting is made after considering all the internal and the external factors affecting the business. If the premises are not clear or precise, then our plan may fail. Third is collection and analysis of information. After planning premises, necessary information or data are to be collected. These information can be collected directly or indirectly. The information once collected is to be classified, analyzed, and proper interpretation is to be made. It will help in making the assumption for future. Fourth is preparation of alternative plan. After planning premises, necessary information or data are to be collected. Once this process is done, we need to prepare the plans. There would be more than one plan, and this is called list of alternative. Example, how to sell either by producing, trading or importing. Fifth we are going to learn is evaluation of alternatives. As being a student, you know the meaning of evaluation. Now here once the various alternatives comes up, so we have to, out of various alternatives, those which are feasible are taken into detailed consideration. Various factors affecting the business and the effects of plan is considered. We try to get the various techniques which are to be used, and it has been understood, and the important plans, and we may select the best plan. Now OR or the operation research is one of the statistical technique used to evaluate the alternatives. Now the sixth topic is selection of the best alternative. The various alternatives are evaluated, analyzed and scrutinized for the selection of best alternative. As stated earlier, we may select the best alternative based on the situation. Seventh is formation and evaluation of subsidiary plan. There is one main plan. Different projects or alternative have to be considered as a part of this basic plan. They support the main plan. These plans are known as your subsidiary plan. For example, a car producing company will have to decide to produce or purchase the tires. If buying, then from whom, where, how, etc. If producing, then where would be the plant which option is advisable. Eighth is evaluation of plan. After formation of subsidiary plan, entire plan is to be evaluated. Whenever the firm requires, it may take help of any experts. If necessary, then some changes are to be made. When we proceed step by step, the principle of look and lead is to be adopted. Evaluation is necessary at all levels. So from this we have learned that from the above explanation that the steps of process, that the process of planning are clear. It is clear that all the steps are to be undertaken as said above. I hope it was easy for you. Thank you.